guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mel in Denmark. With Luke and Lisa. We have to interview Luke. How about this interview? What is that? So, how's your day, Luke?
Good.
Good. And what are you doing?
Hugging Lisa.
Yeah. Are you working today?
No, not today.
Not today. Tomorrow?
No, I worked yesterday.
You worked yesterday. How many hours?
6.
6 hours?
Yes.
Okay. And when you work again?
I don't know. I haven't checked.
Oh, Monday you need to go to school? Go to school? When you finish your school, it is senior high school, what college? What is that?
Almost.
College.
It's college.
Yes. Also, you need to go to university.
Yes.
What kind of course you will take? Pasensya na guys sa English ko kasi Danish ang salita.
Accountant.
Accountant.
Yeah, after finish.
Are you good in mathematics?
No.
Yes, you are. And guys, itutur ko kayo dito sa bahay. Tapos doon sa bulaklak, lumalabas na yung, what is that for English? Winterkika. It's tulips, small tulips.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So guys, ito yung aming sala. Yan. Nanonood ako lagi ng Chinese na drama. Yan ang libangan ko bago magtrabaho. Ayan. Tapos yan guys, yung mga bulaklak ko. Dati ang dami kong orchids. Kaya lang ngayon, magpahinga sila. Ayan. Whole year yan nagbubulaklak. Yan yung mga orchids ko guys. Pero sa summer, gaganda na naman yan sila. At kaya guys, meron ganito sa sopa kasi si Lisa lagi dyan para hindi siya madumihan. So, hi to my vlog!
Hi!
So guys, ayan. Ayan yung mga painting. Dito lang yun sa baba guys, ayan. Iba-ibang klaseng alak, pero wala namang umiinom yan kasi ang iniinom ko rubin lang. Red wine, saka white wine. Hindi ako umiinom ng beer, minsan. Umiinom. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo yung ano ko, gabi. Dagmay sa Ilonggo yan. Tapos, ito yung sa terasa, pero naka-insulate guys, tapos may heater din doon. Ayan. Ganito pag winter dito. So, minsan diyan kami kumakain. Tapos yung ano ko guys, citron, wala ng dahon. Cover tree. Tapos yung kalamansi ko, ulit pa yan niya, ngayon lumaki na. Ito guys, namulaklak siya, pero hindi na nabuo yung kanyang bulaklak. Ayan. Ito guys, yung kamuti ko, itanim ko yan sa summer sa Lagbati. Ayan, Lisa. Will you go outside, Lisa?